We wanted to spend a few minutes to let you know about really an opportunity you have to direct your care in the future. We all know that it's important to have an interaction with your provider. You receive knowledge, you think about it, possible decisions, tests to be done, and you render your thoughts about whether or not you want to proceed on, whether it's a medication, a test, etc. There's one situation, though, where you can't do that. And that's a situation where an illness has rendered you unable to communicate. That might be an accident. It could be a medical illness such as a stroke. And that's why in the medical community we've developed something called advanced care directives. And in that situation, you can actually appoint someone called a durable power of attorney. Durable meaning that it's still good if you're never able to again regain your cognitive abilities. Power of attorney means in a medical field that this person that you appoint can come in and think on their feet with different situations and answer the question, what would this individual have wanted in this situation? Usually a durable power of attorney is a loved one, a close friend, someone who really knows you. And of course, if you ask someone to do this, the most important thing to do is have a discussion with them so that they really understand what it is you would want if a serious medical condition were to occur and you could not be available or in a situation that you could respond to decisions that needed to be made. There's also within this caveat an ability to choose things ahead of time on a piece of paper. That's called the most form, and that can actually give directions as to whether or not you would want or would not want resuscitative measures such as CPR, ventilator, the kind of things that you see on TV that people rush in and do to try to revive someone. People become in a situation, whether it be age or a health issue, that they would really not want this done. And that also needs to be signed and kept in a place that's easy to find. We often tell people on the refrigerator or their freezer because that's where the emergency squad knows to look at it. So look into durable power of attorney. Remind yourself that there is a form called the most form or out of facility DNR form. And these are things you have the right to do ahead of time to make sure that your wishes are carried out, whether or not you're actually able to speak to the issues at that particular time. Thank you.